Welcome back to the channel. It's Eddie from Weoley Tropicals. If you're new to the channel as well, or if this is your first video, don't forget to subscribe. Today's video, I'm just going to get straight into it. It's about fall, spring. I've noticed over the last 3 or 4 days, I've been very tempted to pull palm trees out. I've got lots of the rare ones, the rare bananas, and all the rest of it out of the greenhouse and put within the garden. But the temperature is due to drop next week, hence why it's called fall spring, because just as your plants start jumping into brand new growth, the weather drops again and it snaps at all the new tender kind of growth on there. Just as an FYI, with Birmingham in UK, it's USDA Zone 9A. Our last frost date, which is the date when you can safely bring out things like the Inseti Morellii and things like that, is between April the 21st and the 30th. Usually, obviously that can change on there as well, but I have looked at the weather and that's supposed to change next week. So I just thought, I've seen a lot of people, I know a lot of people are just airing like the Insetis and things like that, just giving them a little bit of sun in the day just to kind of harden them off, and that's absolutely fine. But the first year it caught me out. I literally did the whole border, planted absolutely everything, and without exaggeration, the very next day it snowed. It was only like an inch or two on top, but again, it was all freshly planted. And stuff, so it definitely didn't help them being at some of the sizes that I had grown them at, which was like quite small. So just thought I'd try and hopefully save you a little bit of money in the process of kind of running this video for you as well. Don't forget to subscribe. It's going really well at the moment on the channel, but obviously just keeps inspiring me just to keep spending the vast majority of my lunch break making these videos for you. I will do a greenhouse tour, just so you can kind of see some of the more rare stuff that we've got in there as well. And yeah, thanks for watching.